Dear subscribers, today I will tell about app you can also view who unfollowed you on Instagram. So for doing this you just need to go to Play Market. So just open Play Store. Here you can see it on Android and just write in search tab X profile. So here you will see install button. Here you can see that it also has good review and many downloads, so it means that it's really nice app. So just try to install it, and we until it will install we can also read about this app. So let's read. Everything you want to know about your profile. To learn statistics analytics about your social media profiles, download the app now. So let's try it. So now you can see that we can also open this app, and so now you just need to log in with your Instagram. So write your username, just click on login with Instagram and just write your username and your password, and just you will see all the analytics for your account. So this is how it works. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.